Hey ladies, hope everyone is healthy and well. Just wanted to pop in really quick and give a quick testimony. I just finished up the 60-day reset program. I've been following Doreen for quite some time, and I've done a few of her smoothie challenges in the past with great results. So when she came up with this program, I didn't hesitate to jump in. I initially started this program that got into the reset program, one, because I was suffering from extremely bad allergies. I have taken almost every allergy medicine on the market. You name it, I probably have taken it. I was allergic to almost everything. The changing in the weather, pet dander, anything would trigger me. So when she made a post about, a few remedies that she had gave her son to to take when his allergies were bothering him, I made a comment, and the rest is history. So since starting the reset program, I no longer suffer from allergies. I haven't taken any allergy medicine since I've started this program. On top of that, I've lost 17 pounds. I'm feeling a lot lighter. I can't see myself going back to the old way of living. It's just been tremendous healing from start to finish. She makes the menu, super easy to follow. Everything is so tasty. It's not complicated. So if you're thinking like, oh, I don't have time to make meal, like you can make a meal prep this in like less than an hour, and be done for the day. And that's, whatever's on your menu. I love the fact that she customized everything catered to your needs and your health. And so that's a lot of help, so you don't have to really think about like, oh, what I'm going to make today, what I'm going to eat. Like everything is already laid out for you. The accountability, top notch. You don't have to worry about like, oh, maybe I won't finish. I'm always starting, stop. With this, you're going to finish from start to finish. You're never going to feel alone. You're not going to feel deprived when it comes to the food. You get your hand held every